What's up guys, it's time to talk about something that has never been done on a smartphone. Nokia, the beloved Nokia, is about to blow your mind. We have seen 3 cameras on the back, a 4-camera phone might be coming from Samsung next year, but 5 cameras on the back, that is insane. Now we have the actual live leak of the Nokia 9, the mythical phone that keeps getting delayed and delayed. We can see why it gets delayed because what they are cooking and smoking is just too damn insane. The model number TA1094 with 5 freaking cameras on the back in hexagonal shape. You can see the Zeiss branding on the top as well. From the looks of it, it seems that it's having a premium glass build quality. Not only that, this thing is having Android One, which means it will most likely be coming with the Android 9.0 Pie right out of the box. There's also no sign of the fingerprint scanner on the back, which confirms the previous rumors that Nokia 9 is going to be the first Nokia phone to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now when I first saw these leaked images, I wasn't gonna make a video about it, but this model number T1094 phone is indeed real. According to the recent listing from the Ministry of Industry and Information, they approved a mysterious Nokia TA1094 device for local use back on May 25th, which confirms the existence of this phone. Unfortunately, the listing does not reveal anything about the specs, what kind of camera setup we are looking at, so that is still a mystery. Also, a Twitter leakster, Hiker Calyx, which is said to be a reliable source, says that this thing is indeed real and he will actually going to receive a prototype of the Nokia 9 with 5 cameras soon. This reminds me of a smartphone that Lite is working on, which is said to have 9 cameras on the back. We saw a rendered concept of that, but nothing else really about its release or anything. But this Nokia 9 is looking like a complete project. We still don't know what kind of setup we are looking at. Again, no information about the cameras, but it could be similar to the Lite phone, having multiple lenses with different focal length, and the actual megapixel count could be up to 64 megapixel, or it could be a combination of optical lens, wide angle, and super wide angle lenses. I mean, this thing could legit change smartphone camera game. You guys remember the Nokia Lumia 1020? It had the best camera of that time, but things have changed a lot in 2018. We have so many good smartphone cameras. It will be interesting to see what these 5 cameras will bring to the table. Now, as for the front design, we have no leak about that, but based on the current Nokia design pattern, you can expect a notch up front. This is a design illustration by the talented phone designer. You can check his Twitter out. A link will be down below in the description. Under the hood, this phone will rock a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, most likely because the 855 is still a couple of months away from the official announcement. As for the release date, this 5-camera Nokia 9 is expected to happen in 2018. Although we don't know about the actual launch date for this phone, but it seems like it's going to happen at the end of October. So yeah, the best of 2018 is still yet to come. We have so many exciting phones in the second half or like the end of this year. I will be making a combined video of that soon, but I'm really looking forward to this in Nokia 9 with 5 cameras. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys later. Peace out.